Hey, hello, and welcome to the Lawn Purist. So today we're going to talk about the backyard renovation project in 2022. Let's begin with the concept. So there were a couple of things that I wanted to achieve with this project. One is that we did not have a patio, so I wanted a patio. There's a sunroom, and then there's stairs, and then when you go down, it just used to be grass. So you can see in this sketch that there is a roughly 11 by 21 patio that I wanted to install. The other thing I wanted to achieve is grade the backyard and make it smooth as butter and level. So it wasn't level. There were some bumps and a pretty steep slope. So it was hard to mow a little bit and just not what I was looking for. So one of the inspiration pictures that I really liked was this picture, where you can see the stripes and really low cut turf, and then some a garden around the lawn. So now let's talk about measurements. That I started with a sketch, and here's a better idea to give you just the scale of the project. It's not a huge backyard by any means, but these measurements will put things in perspective. So the patio is on the right, like I mentioned. Then we have this lawn area, and then beds all around. It's a pretty linear design that I was going for. And now you might be wondering, what did things look like before? What did the before look like? And the fact is that it looked pretty nice. Um, so let's take a look. So this is the entrance on the left of the sunroom. You can see the grass was pretty good. I had a smaller bed on the left side, and then at the end of the backyard was a small wildflower garden. And this took a couple of years, maybe 2 to 3 years, to get turf to this quality. It's nice and thick. It was all tall fescue. And here's a better look at the wildflower garden. And this is the full view standing in the corner, so you can see the sunroom and the stairs. There's no patio there, obviously. One final look before we tear it all apart.